How to log in into your Hotmail account. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Hotmail account. So before we begin, there is something that you guys need to know, that Hotmail is now called Outlook. So what you'll need to do is head over to outlook.com. So simply head over to outlook.com and then hit enter. After you're on your outlook.com, there you should find a sign in option on the top right corner or right here. So you can tap on sign in on whichever you want. And after you tap on sign in, you'll get prompted to this login page. Now all you have to do is type in your email address, then tap on next. After you do that, type in your password and then tap on sign in. After you do that, you'll get logged in into your Outlook or your Hotmail account. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.